Do you want smooth and silky skin like me? Let me let you in on a secret. Gyeong撞奶, also known as ginger milk curd, also known as ginger juice colliding with milk. This is an absolutely delicious dessert. Let's get started. Wow! Seriously? That's all I need? Milk, sugar, and ginger? Don't believe me? Watch the rest of the video. Start by grating some ginger. Please be careful when you're doing this, okay? This blade is very sharp. Now, I've cut myself a few times. The normal color of ginger is usually yellowish, so if it starts to turn pink, something's not right. Next, push the ginger through a strainer to get the juice. We're gonna need about 2 tablespoons total. Now heat 2 cups of milk in a pot. So right now the temperature has reached around 90 degrees. How do I know? I just know. So let's remove from the heat and we can add the sugar. Now lightly stir. Now we want the temperature to drop to around 70-80 degrees. That's when we know we can add it to the ginger. Whatever you do not move it after adding the milk. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it can solidify. To know if you're successful, simply place the spoon on the surface. If it doesn't sink, then you're good. Now for the moment of truth. Fail. The temperature has reached around 90 degrees. How do I know? I just know. How do I know? I just know. Thinking back, it was most likely the temperature not being accurate that led to my failure. This dessert is not easy to master as you need to make sure that the proportion of ginger to milk is right. Too much ginger and the taste will be way too strong. Too little and the ginger protease will not catalyze with the milk protein and fail to form milk curds. You also need to make sure that your utensils and ginger are completely dry before making the dessert. Any water could affect the end result. Now for the moment of truth again. It worked! Finally! This is the first time. Clearly, if you follow my steps, you'll be successful like me. Wow, this dessert is absolutely incredible. The texture is similar to tofu pudding and the ginger juice just makes my heart melt. My name is Don Wong and thank you for watching Ding Ding Kitchen.
If you liked today's video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
仲好食過雪糕喎！